In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best handheld shower heads available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion, research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive shower head that our team of shower set testers loved. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Those aren't the only benefits of a handheld shower head though. Handheld shower heads can be used to rinse those hard-to-reach places in the shower, clean your shower, and even bathe your pets with ease, explains Matt Little, co-owner of Damien McAvoy Plumbing. For people with limited mobility, handheld shower heads give them more independence by allowing them to direct the water precisely where they need it. Even though all shower heads serve the same basic purpose, they can vary more than you might think when it comes to ease of use, stream settings, and aesthetics. Considering this, and the fact that it's a product you'll use every day, it's important to choose one that's well suited to your personal preferences. The best shower head for you is one that can deliver exactly the shower experience you're looking for, whether that's a luxurious, spa-like experience, or no-frills model designed for maximum efficiency. Keep in mind that even if you're seeking a high-pressure shower head, you probably don't have to consider flow rate. Flow rates are generally driven by building code, so I don't really worry so much about flow rate, says Goranson. You are stuck with what is required in your area. So here are top 5 best handheld shower head. At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.